USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadians. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers and sign up with these brokers and start a new demo account maybe and trade with my signals in a separate account. So go and join. Subscribe, like, coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach here with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are trying to go up. So this previous low is not broken yet. Okay, so this low did not break this low. So we are trying to go up. So this week we'll try and do, this week we might end up blue. Blue means longs. Okay, so this is daily chart. So daily is, so this low is not broken in daily and then we have broken this high. So this blue candle has broken this high. So we might carry on going up or we might take a pullback and then we'll go up. So let's look for entry in 4 hour. 4 hour, we are already up above the EMA. This is a quite simple, trade. Wait for the pullback, then go long. So quite simple. Okay. So USD CAD, very clear. Wait for the price to come near the EMA, reject the EMA, then blue candle, and then you go long. So in the USD CAD, look for longs after this pullback is done. So pullback, rejection, blue candle, then go up. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.